Well, hello there, friends. I'm eating chocolate ice cream. Chocolate orange Marnier ice cream. I'm going to show you how to make it, friends. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Stay tuned. We're making ice cream, friends. Well, hello there, friends. You've been asking for the summer coming in, ice cream. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing ice cream. They're really, really easy to make ice cream, friends. I promise you. It's like you test your homemade ice cream. Oh, you're not going to go at the store and buy ice cream anymore after you make your own, I promise you. It's really wonderful. So let me show you basically what it is for those of you that cook a little bit. It's a crème anglaise, which is a dessert sauce. Then we're going to put it in an ice cream maker. Really, I promise you, it's so simple, you can all do it. And the result of it is unbelievable. So today we're making a chocolate, Nutella, Grand Marnier, orange chocolate ice cream. It's going to be delicious. Okay, I got about 12 ounces of dark chocolate, and this is a 75% cocoa butter chocolate, so it's not very sweet at all. So we will add some sugar to our mixture, and then I also got some Nutella. You can certainly skip the Nutella, my friends, but the Nutella is kind of cool. You know, I grew up with Nutella. Man, I was eating so much Nutella. I could eat a whole thing on my own. I would go to the store. My mom said, "Go get some Nutella for the dessert." Oh, sure. I would buy 2 of them, and one for me on the way there, and one for mom. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put this in here like this. So we're gonna melt this guy right there. We're just gonna let him melt the chocolate, and then what we're gonna do? See, we're gonna melt all this, and then we're gonna take this melting chocolate hot mixture, and we're gonna introduce it slowly to the eggs. We have 3 whole eggs and 3 yolks. And then we got a cup of sugar, we got a cup of cocoa powder. Again, this is a German cocoa powder. It's better, it doesn't have any sugar to it. And so, again, better the ingredient, better your ice cream. At the end of the day, you can't take a happy ingredient and expect it to make good recipe. All right? We're going to put a pinch of salt. You'll never know it's in there, but it's going to wake up all the ingredients. All right? So now we're going to take our eggs, friends. Whole eggs, yolks, and we're going to mix them up really, really good. All right? And then we're going to put some sugar in there. And we're going to do what is called creaming the egg. And then we're going to put our cocoa powder in there. And the cocoa powder, it's going to make like a paste, you see? It's going to make a little bit of a pasty thing. Doesn't look like it's going to incorporate it well, but that's what it is. It's just what's going to give us a really, really, really good chocolate flavor. Better your cocoa powder, better your ice cream, my friend. You see? It doesn't want to incorporate that well, but it will, trust me. By the time we're done, we're going to have the most smooth, delicious, and rich ice cream. So I'm putting Grand Marnier in there because I have the orange flavor. But you can skip this. You see, we're making like a paste. And you can put Grand Marnier. You can skip the Grand Marnier. If you're making it for kids, actually, my mom used to put extra for us till we go to sleep early. Yeah. The Grand Marnier, you can skip it. Don't worry about it. Don't put it in there. Don't put it in there. You don't have to put the Grand Marnier in there if you don't want. You can replace the Grand Marnier with rum, with Kahlua. People say, "Hey, hold on a minute, I don't want any booze. I can't replace Grand Marnier with rum." Just, you know what? In many cases, look, see, we got that page right there, friends. In many cases, people say, "How do I replace the booze with?" If you're making a dessert and there's booze in it, there's usually going to be very little booze. Let me get the microplane grater. There's going to be very little booze in there, so you don't need to replace it with nothing. While you're cooking, if I'm putting, oh, you know what? Let me put the vanilla. Before I forget, I'm using Tahitian vanilla, about a tablespoon. I love Tahitian vanilla, but use whatever vanilla you want. This is Grand Marnier we used. All right. So now, friends, I'm going to put the zest of an orange. And you all know how to use the microplane grater, but for the new subscribers, because you know we have a lot of new subscribers, 1,000 a day coming in, and we love them, but they don't know how to use the microplane grater because they watch all them ding dongs over there. Remember, you don't put the orange on top of it. You put the tool on top of the orange, on top of the lemon. And my regular subscriber going, here he goes again. Hey, you know, it's better to tell you 2 or 3 times and then to make sure, look, see right there, it's all there, see? This tool is designed to be used this way, my friends. And I'm trying to go fast so I don't make the video too long. Because you know, a long video don't do so good. The short one do very good, but the long one don't do good. Because people don't want to watch long video. But if you're going to make ice cream, you got to do it. You know the right way to watch our channel, friends, is you want to do the ice cream, or you want to do whatever it is that I'm cooking, get all your mise en place, get all the ingredients ready, and then when you're ready, you do it with me. And you'll see that I'm not going too slow. You know, sometimes I'm saying I'm going too fast. So what do we got here? Let's see. We want to make sure the chocolate doesn't melt, and then what we're going to do, friends, we're going to introduce our milk, cream. Oh, I didn't tell you what it was. 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of milk. Oh, thank goodness I think about doing it. 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of milk, the chocolate, and the Nutella. You can skip the Nutella if you don't want to put it in there, trust me. But if you try one time, you're not going to skip it. All right, so look, let me make sure I mix this well because I don't want the chocolate to stick in the bottom. So be careful when you do this, okay? Now, what we're going to do here, friends, we're going to temper the egg by putting a little bit of this mixture. You know what? Let me do it here. No, I don't want to do it here because I'm going to get the camera. I'm going to work with my left hand. I'm not very good with my left hand, but I'm going to have to do it. See? We're going to introduce the heat to the egg, friends. We're going to do it slowly. Because if I introduce the heat too fast, I'm going to cook the egg instead of tempering them. Right now I'm telling the egg, hey guys, you see, we're introducing some 170 degrees temperature right here. All right, so you're talking to the egg. This guy, he's talking to his ingredient. He's talking to the egg on his cooking channel. Let's go to another channel. See, look. And I'm introducing, and then what I'm going to do, when the egg have been tempered enough, I'm going to take that whole mixture and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to cook it to 170 degrees. I got to cook the egg. You see, friends? I got to cook the egg. So let me put this in here like this so I don't miss nothing. Because now the egg have been tempered enough, you see? And we're going to melt all that chocolate. We want it to be nice and smooth. It's all about a smooth ice cream, my friends. I'm going to make a little bit of a mess in here, but it is what it is. All right, so we're going to go in there right now. And the egg have been tempered. We'll put them in there, right in there, you see? Everything in there, my friends. Mix it up as you put it in. As you put it in, mix it up, you see? See, so it's not complicated. It's going to mess up quite a bit of dishes and bowls and stuff. You got to get it all ready to go. But it's okay, right? And then, you see. Well, I tell you I was going to make a mess, right? I got a big mess, don't I? All right, so now, friends, I'm going to bring this up to 170 degrees. And as soon as it is at 170 degrees, you don't want to go over 170 degrees. 170 degrees, all you really need. We'll bring it to 170 degrees. If you have one of those digital thermometer, it makes it easy. If you don't have one of those, use one of those. You got to have one of those, right? And you check your temperature. And right there, I'm looking at about 150 degrees. So I'm not that far away. So here we go, friends. I'm going to continue. I'm going to bring that up to 170 degrees. And then I'm going to go back. So I'm going to wait a few minutes, couple minutes. And then I'm going to bring some ice. And then I'll come back and I'm going to show you how I chill it. Okay, so I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Right now it's 140. I want it to get to 170. Really important. Okay, we got to cook the custard. All right, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, friends. I got 170 degrees right here. Now, remember, if you don't have a thermometer and you're making it, friends, and you realize it's not smooth as silk like it is right here, don't be afraid to use your immersion blender, my friends. You see right there? I got it right there. I just wanted to show you. You can use your immersion blender if it's not nice and smooth. That means what it is, you overcook the egg a little bit. And that's okay. It happens to everybody. Trust me. I've had so many apprentices at the restaurant that would do that. And what you do, friends, you will see right here, I'm on an ice bath. And I'm going to bring this consistency right now. I'm going to bring this to 40 degrees. Now, I have an ice bath, and it's, 170 degrees now. I got to bring it to 40. I got to cool it before I put it in the ice cream maker. Okay? So, what happened is it's going to take a while. Now, if I have the ice so I can do it, it's not a problem. It's going to take me a little while, but I'm fine. If you don't have the time, you take a plastic wrap, you put it on top of it, and you put it in the fridge. Put it on top, not on top of the bowl, on top of the ice cream, right? And you put it in the fridge 3, 4, 5 hours, however long it's going to take. It's going to be to 40 degrees. When it's 40 degrees, we're going to put it in the ice cream maker. Be back in a few minutes when it's 40 degrees. Okay, friends. The custard, look at this. See the thickness of it, friends? The custard right there is thick, right? It's about 45 degrees. 45 degrees is the right temperature. And if you put it on ice, it won't take that long. You know, it took me realistically maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, because I was keep mixing. And look, I have no more ice, you see? I melt all the ice. Now I got water everywhere. But it's okay. So I wanted to show you because I was watching some channel making testing ice cream makers, and I've been using this Cuisinart. It's a great little machine. It makes 2 quart of ice cream, and it's wonderful. It's easy to use. And I was watching those guys, and everybody was like, "Oh, it's a crappy machine. It doesn't work." They just didn't do it right. Number 1 rule: this right there lives in the freezer, and if you shaking it, and you can hear the liquid, it's not cold enough. You're not supposed to hear nothing. It's supposed to be ice cold. Keep it in the freezer until the last minute. It's got to be hot as a rock, okay? Your custard has to come to boil to cook at 170, and has to cool somewhere around 40, 45 degrees. It's the little rules and you gotta just to follow with it. It's not that complicated, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that cold. I hope then the camera can see what I'm doing. Can you guys see it? You get it, guys over there? Yeah, you're getting this thick. You can eat it. Let me tell you guys, you can eat this right now. It's that good. Just like this, you see? We're gonna go right in there. And then we're gonna let the machine cool it. Now, you could, if you didn't have an ice cream maker, you could go in the freezer and every 10 minutes mix it. Every 10 minutes, mix it until you have your ice cream consistency. But this is the easiest thing. They're not that expensive. You know, these machines are not expensive at all. This is extremely important to put in right there. And all I'm going to do, my friends, look, it's a very well-designed machine. It's very well designed. All I got to do now is turning it on. It makes a little brrr. See that here, that noise? I can't hide that noise for you guys. But you see, it's going to churn it. It's going to churn. It's going to be smooth as silk. It's already beautiful, right? And we're going to let this do about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and thick to the consistency you want. And then you can take it from there and keep it in your freezer for a long time. All right? So I'll be back when this is all done. All right, friends? It'll be a few minutes. I'm going to give it 15, 20 minutes. Okay? We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, friends, 15, 20 minutes. Look at this. And temperature we got in here, friends, I'm at 20 degrees, so this is really cool. So don't listen to people tell you this is not a good machine. I'm not sponsoring Cuisinart. I couldn't care less what machine you guys use, but this is a good value. I mean, this is a nothing machine when you think about it, friends. I mean, this is just a ball that stays in the freezer, and there's a motor that turn this ball. That's all it does, really. And right there, friend, look at this. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. You see that? Oh. Wow. Okay, so you're going to take it out of there, you're going to put it in the bowl. I always got a bowl, a pack of ice cream. I take it out 15 minutes before you need it, because if you don't, friends, it's going to be really tart. And look at this. Look at this, friends. Hold on. Let me get a spoon. Right there. Look at this thing. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at this, friend. See, it's already like perfect consistency for you, my friends. Look at this. So I am today getting 2 servings. You can test everything. I love my life. How amazing of a job do I have, my friends? I'm so glad I could cook for you. I didn't do much cooking today. I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, friend. We need subscribers. There's so many millions of you that watch and don't subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. We need your support. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next couple of days with another fantastic video. Go make some ice cream.